Department of Transport is the hazard management agency for maritime environmental emergencies. Every year, as part of that, we conduct a state exercise for those hazards. Port authorities are one of the key stakeholders that we work with for the management of marine oil pollution. That's because shipping centres around ports, and therefore ports are a big risk introducer. So exercise Roebuck Challenge has been based in Broome and has taken place over 3 days for the actual exercise. It's been a great week, and our key response partner, or exercise partner in this case, Kimberley Ports Authority, has shown that they've got some fantastic capability in terms of responding to spills. One of the biggest challenges in exercising for oil spills is the fact that in an exercise there is no oil in the water, and so we use a myriad of different techniques to try and create as much realism as we can. In this exercise in particular, we've used things like fluorescein dye, which is a non-toxic green dye we can put in the water to simulate an oil slick on water for various response teams and elements to work around. From a wildlife perspective, we use fluffy toys and inflatable toys that look like wildlife, so they've got a bird or an animal to recover and wash. So for Western Australia, we're a unique jurisdiction. In particular for the Kimberley and Broome, where this exercise was, there are significant challenges in the fact that it's got the second largest tidal range in the world. That means that there's strong water currents. There's also high temperatures, which when we're doing spill response cleanup in chemical suits and on beaches, it can be quite challenging. And then there's also logistical and remote access limitations, significant cultural concerns from Indigenous heritage. And then the other thing is that there are some dangerous flora and fauna that we need to consider. So the purpose of exercising is to learn. So every exercise we do, we get lessons and they add to our body of knowledge and help us to build our capability. For this exercise in particular, we've had some good opportunities for different agencies that might not have been aware of what they can offer or what they can do, generate that improved understanding and build those networks so we're better prepared. And then more specifically, we've been able to validate some of our response techniques in the unique conditions of the Kimberley. In this case, we did focus on the Kimberley. It's the biggest exercise that Kimberley Ports Authority has ever done and the biggest exercise we've ever done in this area. And it's important exercise in the regions, and we are really thankful to the Kimberley Ports Authority for being a key exercise partner and giving us the opportunity to test ourselves in the most remote and challenging area of WA.